Welcome to the Maldives. This is your villa.
What's going on? Dollar D, welcome to Cribs, Maldives edition. I'm here on my honeymoon. My wife's the one who's behind the camera. This is our jacuzzi, outdoor looking area. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room. Come on in. This is the dining room. Manager gave us a card obviously for our honeymoon, just some champagne. We're about to pop it just after I'm done with you guys. This is the living room, curved Samsung TVs. I'll go into the specification in another video. This is the bedroom. This is where the magic happens. If you know what I'm saying. Another TV. This is what's gonna wow you. Biggest infinity pool in the Maldives of any villa. Some nice lounging area. Looks right out onto the reef. We actually see the sunset later on. About to jump in there. Just wanted to, get this video out there for you guys. So you guys are holding me up, man. God, let's finish the room tour. The bed, the bathroom, his and her sinks, the cupboards or the closets for you guys. Quickly, just look at the sleds. We've got the Yeezys, we've got the Gucci's, and we've got some of the customized style. I won't go into it, but yeah. And then the bathtub, the toilet, the electric toilet, and the rain shower. Also, this is the steam room as well. And Shiv will kill me if I don't show you this. This is the makeup area or the dressing area or something. It has a fridge for your makeup.
For skincare.
For your skincare. So, yeah. This is it, guys. Maldives, one and only Reethi Rah, Dollar D on his honeymoon. You know what it is. I'm out.